Imagine ang view na mo in the morning kani. Hello guys, what's up? So naami karon sa Zaruchi Villa in Argao. Mag-tour ta karon kay nice kay ilang place dire and dako kaayo. So naay basketball court, mini playground for kids. And this is a massive villa. Dako kaayo ni siya. Ay mga koi and recreational area. Pwede mag-inom dire, pwede mag-videoke. And na sila ay pool table. And look at this view. Baling dakuha sa ilang pool and naay sea view. So exclusive ninyo ma-use ta ng amenities. So I'll let you guys see all the amenities na available diri sa Zaruchi. Ato i-check ang room. Kay nice kayo ang pool view. Dining, nice kayo guys. Dako kayo ni. Dako kayo siya ng area. You can also use all the utensils and ang refrigerator, dispenser. Like tanang amenities sa kitchen. Dako po kayo na kitchen. As you can see, then napod sila ay dirty kitchen. Pwede mag-grill. Then na ay stove. And everything is complete if ganahan mo mag team building, parties, or events. So another recreational area is their sala. And nasa sila flat screen TV with the amazing view of the pool and the beach. Parties sa beach dira. Paano ko sa corner? See how massive it is. And even ang ilang stairs kay massive kaya. See. So diri agion ang among room. They also have sa back portion ani is na ay stylish na chandelier. Sila ay small na porch, pwede tambay diri. Here. And another view sa pool. They have rooms na pambarkada. And another room, dako jud kay ilang room. Another room na po ni siya. Same sa among room. So na sila net lunch. And ang net lunch, diretso dira sa lalom is katong recreational area. Check out this mural. Shout out kung kinsa may gahimo ani, nice kayo. Nice kayo ang mural, guys. If dagan po day mo og sakyanan, no, there's not a problem sa parking. Dako kayo ang parking space. So this is our room 1. Nice kayo ang room. So, iyang style is minimalist, brutalist. Ayan among gamit, pasensya, huwag kayo. Nice kayo lang bed, pang tropical. And this is our view. Imagine ang view na mo in the morning kani. It's so nice. So, yeah. Kubot kayo. This is their toilet and bath. Like, minimalist kayo, nice kayo, pang Instagram kayo. So guys, try na mo dire sa Zaruchi. Try to inquire, try to book. And this place is highly recommended by us, Wanderlust. So see you guys again on the next vlog. Bye.